In an era of rapid development of intelligent and automated things, the navigation system is no longer just a guide. It has become the brain center of smart devices. Today, we unveil the core technology of Micromagic's latest flagship, the I3700 Dual Antenna GNSS+INS integrated navigation system. The I3700 integrates high-precision MEMS inertial navigation system, full-band multi-mode GNSS receiver, and self-developed fusion algorithm to achieve centimeter-level positioning plus millisecond-level response, and can maintain stable output even in signal-blocking environments, such as tunnels and urban canyons. Array MEMS on-U fusion algorithm, full-band GNSS support for global systems, such as GPS, Beto, GLONASS, Galileo, etc. Accurate positioning, strong anti-interference. Navigation is also possible in loss of connection scenarios. When the GNSS signal is interrupted, the inertial navigation system takes over to achieve seamless switching and ensure continuity. I3700 is being widely used in a variety of complex fields: logistics, unmanned vehicles, accurate route planning between urban high-rise buildings, smart agriculture, row spacing error is less than 2 centimeters, improving seating efficiency. Industrial robots, collaborative AGV to achieve millimeter-level path restoration. From the ground to the sea, from the laboratory to the field, I3700 measures the world with reliability and controls the future with intelligence.